The concept of a tipping point originates from epidemiology and has since been applied to various fields, including sociology, economics, and environmental science. It refers to the critical threshold at which a small change or occurrence can lead to a significant and often irreversible shift in a system, behavior, or situation. This shift can manifest as a sudden, dramatic transformation or a cascading series of events. In epidemiology, a tipping point is the moment when a contagious disease reaches a critical level of infection in a population. Once this threshold is crossed, the disease can spread rapidly, leading to an epidemic or pandemic. The spread of infectious diseases, such as COVID-19, provides a real-world example of a tipping point, as a small number of initial cases can quickly escalate into widespread outbreaks when certain conditions are met. In sociology and human behavior, a tipping point can occur when a certain number of individuals adopt a new trend, idea, or behavior, causing it to become widely accepted or mainstream. This concept is often associated with the diffusion of innovations. For example, the adoption of smartphones and social media platforms reached a tipping point when a critical mass of users embraced these technologies, leading to their widespread integration into daily life. In economics, tipping points can manifest as market dynamics. For instance, a small shift in consumer confidence or investor sentiment can trigger a rapid change in stock prices or market behavior. The 2008 financial crisis is an example of a tipping point in the housing market, where a relatively small number of mortgage defaults cascaded into a widespread financial collapse. Environmental science also explores tipping points in the context of ecological systems. These are critical thresholds beyond which ecosystems can undergo abrupt and often irreversible changes. For instance, the melting of polar ice caps and the potential collapse of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, AMOC, are examples of environmental tipping points that could have profound global consequences, including sea level rise and shifts in climate patterns. Understanding and identifying tipping points is crucial for decision makers in various fields. In public health, it helps to anticipate and mitigate the spread of diseases by implementing timely interventions. In sociology, recognizing tipping points can inform strategies for promoting behavioral change or social reform. Economists and policymakers use the concept to monitor market stability and intervene when necessary. In environmental science, identifying ecological tipping points can guide efforts to protect vulnerable ecosystems. It's important to note that tipping points are often characterized by nonlinear and unpredictable behavior. Small changes can lead to disproportionately large consequences, and the exact threshold at which a tipping point occurs may be challenging to determine in advance. As such, research and modeling are critical tools for studying and managing systems where tipping points are a concern. In conclusion, a tipping point is a critical threshold at which a small change or event can trigger a significant and often irreversible shift in a system, behavior, or situation. This concept is relevant across diverse fields, from epidemiology and sociology to economics and environmental science, and understanding and identifying tipping points is essential for effective decision-making and management of complex systems.